Okay, let me really quick explain what an absolute value is. An absolute value, when you do this, when you put a number in here, it just means how far from 0, okay? So this is cool. What's the absolute value of 3? How far is 3 from 0?
3.
3.
3.
How far is negative 3 from 0?
3.
3. So it's the same answer, right? When you take the absolute value of something, you just make it positive is basically what you're doing, okay? All right. Now, I'm not going to go into the math of this, okay? But when they say the absolute value of something mathematical equals a number, okay? And they ask you to find all the answers to the math problem. I'm not going to get into what that is. Hey, if you ever are interested, you can go to my YouTube channel, okay? If you ever want to learn stuff like this, go to my YouTube channel. Go to my YouTube channel. First thing, real quick, make sure you're subscribed to my YouTube channel, okay? I'm at 2,000 subscribers. Come on, people. Everybody needs to subscribe. If you go there, you can start looking through my YouTube channel, and I have a whole bunch. I have a whole bunch of videos on algebra. Okay, there's a ton of videos on algebra. Okay, so if you just start Googling something, you'll see my videos on these things. Okay, and I have a ton of geometry videos too. So it's all there. Yeah. The way we're going to solve these, and I'm not going to go into why. This class is not about why. This class is about how. Okay. If I spent this time talking why, then we would run out of time. Okay. Here's what you're going to do. When they want the sum of the answers, now notice this is an equal sign, not an inequality. You're going to look at the next problem. These are inequalities. See the difference? When they're equal to, this is what you're going to do. It's actually quite easy. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to ignore that. You're going to look at 2x minus 8. You're going to make it equal to 0, and you're going to solve that problem. Now, if you don't know how to solve an algebra problem yet, that's a problem, okay? If you don't know how to solve an algebra problem, go to my YouTube channel or go to my website, right? Maybe it's better if you go to my website for this. Go to my website and look here. I've got all these algebra lessons. These are all algebra lessons. This is everything that I teach in my own algebra class, okay? If you just click on one of these, I don't know, whatever, function tables, right? If you click on it, there's a video. There's a video of me teaching how to do it. Plus, if you click on this, there's notes, okay? So you could teach yourself algebra if you wanted to. You could teach yourself algebra using these notes, okay? So you could watch the video, take the notes. And if you want to teach yourself how to do algebra, I believe it's chapter 3. Yeah, chapter 3 will teach you how to do basic algebra, okay? Which is what we're doing here. Okay, so all we have to do is solve this math problem, right? So we have to add 8 to both sides. I'm not going to go into why this happens. This is basic algebra. Divide by 2, we get x equals 4. Now what you do is you double that answer. So whatever the answer to that math problem is, you double it. Okay, so if the answer was 4, you double it, you get 8. What does that mean? If you added up the two answers to this problem, the answer would be 8. Okay, let me do it again. All right, this is the equality one, right? So what do? We ignore this, and we're just going to do this math problem. All right, we're going to do this math problem. So we're going to do minus 2 minus 2. So we're going to get 1/3 x equals negative 2. Then we're going to multiply both sides by 3. I'm just doing algebra here, guys. So if you don't know how to do algebra, that's a problem. And so my answer is not negative 6. What do I have to do to the negative 6 at the end?
Multiply by 2.
Multiply by 2. You get negative 12. Okay? So let me have